Hey guys, main water shutoff's not working inside here, so I'm going to shut it off out here at the meter. Go ahead. I know you can't see in there. Sorry. It's gotta help it turn the right way. I'm going to turn it off out here, and then we're going to replace it inside there. Go ahead and put the lid back on since it's cold out. So I got to cut a piece of 1-inch pipe off and bring it in. Cold out today. Got some nice weather though, at least it's sunny. Okay. Right now we're going to drain down the system. Open everything upstairs. Okay guys, we got it drained down to this point. I think I'm going to pop the bleeder cap off of here and see how much water we get out of there. The only trick to that is let's see, they made a small closet here. Get that drained. There it goes. Start to peter out. That's what we want. That's close. Yeah, the freaking rubber and the bleeder had to pop out. Put my glasses on, be good. It helped if I would have got that rubber back in there flat. Okay, cutter. Let's see. Oopsie. Meant to do that, guys. Not Steven Spielberg, sorry. Ha! He's good, wasn't it? time. Go back. Give it a little squeeze. Try to wipe the flux off of this thing. So the idea, guys, we're going to cut it here and then up above 2 places, and we're going to put our new valve right here and move this stuff up, reattach it. Yeah, we're not playing around with this. We're just going to leave this wide open because this is got a flare on it and stuff. Don't really want to play with it too much. But the washer in this is probably petrified or gone or something. And I've had problems changing a washer, and then the washer ends up flapping around in there making noise. I'm just going to try to avoid that altogether. Alright guys, here's our valve, and it's about 1.5 inches that we're going to need to cut out from up here on both sides. Lift this up, get that valve in there, and sweat it back in. So, sorry about the camera. Nowhere to hang this. Anyway, so I'm going to measure about 1.5 inches on both sides here and then cut it. If you got a tag on there, don't cut it right there because that's going to cause you a problem. This little tape junk. Okay, guys, I got it marked here. This is 1.5 inches here on the 1 inch, and then 1.5 inches here on the 3/4. This is the lawn sprinkler. Anyway, we're going to cut that out, and this is all going to move up enough room to get our valve in here. If you turn it sideways, it messes up. Alright, make sure we can see it. Holding it with my left here. Oh, we got a little water in that one. Okay. Well, they didn't winterize that very good. See, there shouldn't have been any water in there. Trying to figure out why that happened. Oh, I know, they didn't put a drain here. Anyway, yeah, guys, we'll probably end up putting a drain here for them because they didn't have a drain on it like this side. Anyhow, so here we are, and we'll be right back. I'll clean this up. And then I got in here, guys, I still have to cut off that 1.5 inches off of each side and then clean them I'm debating whether to put a drain in for the sprinkler. They do have a bleeder on their ball valve, but that doesn't explain why there's water in this line. It should have been all evacuated out. I wonder if their ball valve's defective, where it was letting a little bit of water through there. Possibly. I've seen that happen before. Sometimes when they solder it in, they get it too hot, and it ruins the ball valve. There's the ball valve here.
If that's true, there would have been a lot more water in there.
Pro. Point, counterpoint.
Oh,
Okay guys, so you probably can't see in there. Where's that flashlight? I can't get the light shining on that. Anyway, part of the end of this old shutoff broke off inside there. Try to get it out of there. So here's a problem, guys. I don't know if you can see in there or not. We got to get that out. That's the old washer assembly that broke off. Otherwise, we're going to be disconnecting this whole freaking thing. So I'm trying to avoid, because then we'll have to go get parts and all that junk. Okay guys, there's the bucket here. Anyhow. Yeah, it snapped. Anyway. So what we're going to do is just Teflon this, put it back in. We're going to finish our stuff here. Make sure you don't have that too weird because it'll mess it up. You got to keep it at like a 45. That snapped off. What was on there? Yeah, they usually kind of float in there, but I think this hadn't been turned off like 20 years. Gasket's going. Otherwise it'll go to sleep. Alright guys, so we got that back on. Got the bad piece out. I don't know what's up with this camera. There it is. Yeah, it snapped right back here. Anyway, we're going to get this back together. We're going to put a ball valve up here and tie everything back in. Sorry for the herky-jerky, guys. Striker nearby.
Out that way.
Striker. that cool off, guys. Here's our assembly here. We gotta get back up there with our valve, our new valve. We got a wire brush in this groove. Still a little water in that. This is from the PRB valve up here. You remember, guys, if it has a divot in here or something, you got to use a wire brush, because that emery cloth, it'll stick inside that slice. And then solder won't stick there. Keep that in mind.
Just a brush.
That's why I put my glasses on, look real close. I don't want to have any problems. So I guess what we'll do, we'll let this cool off. Get some Teflon on here. And I'll paste. Yeah, it's still pretty hot. Okay, guys. What we're gonna do, line this up. Well, looks like our one. Oh, that'll drop. This might be a little more interesting than I thought it was going to be. Guess another thing we could do is measure it. Thought it'd be simple just to line it up here. Clean that again. Let me see. Got it? Just don't tip it too much, because it'll knock it off.
Up here.
Well, it's not shining in there very good. That's the problem. mess. You're standing on it. How does that mirror it? Let this cool off. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's the new Shutoff. If we have time, we'll come back and fire it up for you.